Hello artists, really nice work on your Inca-inspired textile drawings. They look so cool, really vibrant colors. I love how some of you guys use markers, crayons, and all different materials. It really looks awesome, nice work. Now for week number 11, we are going to be moving northward up to Oaxaca, Mexico. So let's go. Now what's really cool about Oaxaca is it is an art hub. So there's lots of art markets, tons of artists around in the city, in the villages, and many artists weave baskets, metalwork. They also are painters, drawers, sculptors. So Oaxaca is the place to be when you are an artist. So we're gonna go ahead and watch this video about Oaxaca, and then once you watch the video, come on back here with me, and then we're gonna start our warm-up. Now that you guys have learned about Oaxaca, it's a pretty cool city. Don't you want to go there? I know I do. So now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in and we're going to start our warm-up, and we're going to be talking about light source. So think about light source. It can be the sun, it could be the light bulb, it could be a candle, it could be firelight, it could be the moon. So light source comes in many shapes and forms. Now we're going to be talking about light source hitting an object. So now the object we're going to be looking at is this cherry that you're seeing right here. So we're going to go ahead and draw this cherry with our pencil. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and say our light source is over here. So you can draw a little sun over here, or if you want to draw a light bulb or anything, or a little flame, anything that emits light. So this is where our light source is coming from. So it's up in this right hand corner and it's shining down onto our cherries. So what we're going to do is we're going to be doing lots of oval shapes, and we're going to be mapping out where the highlight is, and the highlight is the brightest spot on the form. So the form is the cherry. So we're going to be drawing a little shape here, and if we look at our reference photo, you see wherever those white spots are, that is a highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put in some of these shapes for the highlight. And I see there's going to be one over here, and now think, the light is over here, so the sun is here. So where it's closest to the sun, to the object, that's where it's going to be the brightest. So the brightest area is going to be up over here because it's closest to the sun, right there, okay? So this is bright, then this is going to be a little bit bright, and then there's even could be another little spot over here. And think it's round, so even this area could be pretty bright too, all right? So just some really rough kind of blob shapes that you're going to put down for the highlight. So the highlight is the brightest spot on the cherry. Now on this one over here, again, sun to the cherry, this side, the right side, so the side closest to the sun is going to be the brightest side to the shape. So I'm going to do about 2 little highlight shapes there on the one on the left. So I'm going to stop there with the highlight. Now for the next area, it is a mid-tone. So a mid-tone, it's not bright and it's not dark. It's right in the middle. So we are going to go ahead and have mid-tone, and that mid-tone is going to be all around the highlight. So you can kind of just do some squiggle shapes that go around the highlight shape, kind of like that. And same over here, I'm just kind of going around, so that's going to be a mid-tone. So the mid-tone is inside that shape, and it's going to be touching up to the highlight, to the brightest spot. We are creating the illusion that our cherry is going up, out, and around, and around, and around, and then it's getting darker underneath, and it's going underneath. So we're going to go ahead and have this area right in here, where I'm talking about. So this area in here, that's going to be core shadow. That's going to be very dark with your pencil. Now over here, now the light is coming over here, and this area over on this side of our cherry is going to be the dark core shadow. in here, and then this actually this is going to extend over too. So that is our breakdown of the light source hitting the cherries.